Hi, I was taking a nap after my Sunday lunch. Would you believe me? I was rushing at a speed of 1000 miles per hour during that nap. This is an interesting physics puzzle. Do you want me to uncover the science behind this? But before that, I'm Shaji, a transformational physics expert and the founder of Shaji'z Physics. I help class 10 students and parents to have a smooth physics transition from class 10 to 11 without frustration and to master physics with lots of joy, fun, excitement, and enthusiasm. Having said this, I would like to take you through a short presentation for helping you to get absolute clarity related to the puzzle I mentioned you. So let me take you to this. As you know, the earth is rotating about its own axis in every 24 hours. So as a person in India, which is near to the equatorial region, I am also moving at the speed of the rotation of the earth. So let me try to calculate or try to understand that speed with some simple mathematical steps. So here is the radius of the earth. Do you know that? It is estimated to be nearly equal to 6400 kilometer. Now, what will be the diameter of the earth? It is easy to calculate, 2 times radius. So diameter of the earth, it is nearly equal to 12,800 kilometer. Now, my question, can you convert this diameter of the earth into miles? Please pause this video for a moment. You can refer to Google or some AI tool to understand what is the relationship between 1 kilometer and 1 mile. Okay, pause this video, go for that, and come back after that particular knowledge. Okay, now I know that you found 1 mile to be nearly equal to 1.609 kilometer. Now, the diameter of the earth is nearly equal to 12,800 kilometer. When it is converted into miles, you will be getting nearly 8,000 miles. Now, during one rotation of the earth, how much distance I am traveling as a person residing near to the equator of the earth, equatorial region of the earth, and it will be equal to pi d, or equal to 2 pi times the radius of the earth. Now we know the diameter of the earth is equal to 8,000 mile approximately. Now I can simply calculate using the equation pi d by approximating the value of pi to be 3 and the diameter to be 8,000 mile. You will be getting the distance traveled during one rotation of the earth is equal to 24,000 mile. And this rotation, this one complete rotational motion happens during one day or 24 hours. Now I can easily find out the speed of rotation of the earth near the equatorial region to be the distance traveled over time. The distance traveled here is 24,000 miles divided by the time taken, 24 hours. We will get 1000 mile per hour. It is that simple to calculate and logically understand this puzzle. Now, let me come out of this presentation mode, and yes, here we are. Now, I would like you to think about this speed, 1000 miles per hour. What an enormous speed is that? You imagine moving in a car rushing at a speed of 100 kilometer per hour or 120 kilometer per hour on a highway. It's a very high speed for us, for human. Now you compare the same speed with the speed of rotation of the earth, which is 1000 miles per hour, which is nearly equal to 1600 kilometer per hour. Now I have a question to you. Even though we are rushing with such a enormously high speed, why don't we slip away from the earth's surface? That is the question. Now, did you enjoy this puzzle? If you really enjoyed this, I would like you to consider subscribing this channel. It will inspire me, it will motivate me to create more content like this for you. So signing off for this time, and we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.